Activate my video.
I didn't because you were doing a lot of movement and it's distracting to me. So I'll let you activate your video. Hold on a minute. Anybody else want to activate their video that's not activated? You can't, let me know.
I would like my video activated.
Thank you. Well, got 25 people. I got 25 people.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Dolores, or in the matter of the application of the people. Dolores, Lauren, Rutland, see, I'm always, doing cases, I get it all confused. Case number 25006422 PZ. This is a session for circuit court as me acting by way, through the means of having the, position of third circuit court judge just for this hearing today. Can I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel?
Morning, Your Honor. Ray Johnson, second, 88287 on Capitol Dolores Rutland.
Dolores Lauren Rattler.
All right. This is a wonderful occasion today that we get to come before this court, to handle the matter. As you can see, my stuff isn't always the fun stuff, but I had the opportunity today to do something that I really enjoy. And first, I'll give the opportunity for Mr. Attorney Johnson to be able to address the court at this point in time on behalf of your friend.
At the honor of meeting for 2021, Black Law Student Association of Detroit University Law. I was assigned as Dolores' Big Sid, who boasts a member mentoring program, and I'm honored to present this motion to request Dolores' admission to the State Bar of Michigan. Dolores is more than qualified to be admitted to the State Bar of Michigan. To begin, Dolores is a hard worker and a talented multitasker. She's a full-time loving mom, educator, and scholar. Dolores was an elementary school teacher for over 10 years. While teaching, Dolores simultaneously earned a master's degree from Michigan State. Years later, Dolores got into law school, where she was chosen as a Henry Tarrant Scholar, an award for Black students of excellence. While in law school, Dolores still made time to teach, all the while being an active mother, doing well in her classes, and being active on campus. Her ability to successfully multitask will serve her well in handling multiple cases as a member of the State Bar. In addition to her work ethic, Dolores is honest and trustworthy. Although I was assigned as Dolores' law school mentor, she has given me an abundance of great advice and become an invaluable friend, always willing to act as a listening ear. I learned the hard way that I can count on Dolores to give me an honest and much needed opinion, whether the advice involved performance on an exam or navigating career choices. She also never shies away from answering questions asked of her. Her honesty and directness speak to her ability to effectively communicate, which will also serve her well when advocating for future clients. Lastly, Dolores is committed to advocating for the underserved. In addition to teaching, specifically during law school, Dolores was an active member of BOSA and volunteered with multiple BOSA events. She worked for Lakeshore Legal Aid, participated in a clinic with the Sugar Law Center, volunteered for expungement fairs, and many more. She's even volunteering for an expungement fair this Saturday. The State Bar of Michigan needs more attorneys like Ms. Rutland. I'm confident Dolores will be an invaluable asset to the community she serves, her clients, and the State Bar of Michigan if admitted. Your Honor, for the reasons stated, I respectfully request that this esteemed court grants my motion and admits Dolores Lauren Rutland to the State Bar of Michigan.
All right, the court has heard this, move, and request from the court. I see that you have two individuals in court today. Ms. Rutland, is his mom and daughter?
Yep, my mother and my daughter.
All right. These are two people I know have been invaluable in your life. Did any one of them want to have a comment today before I give my comment? Okay, go ahead, Mom. You can come to the mic, please.
Thank you for allowing me this moment to speak. Or, she won the debate club in junior high school, and I told her, attorney, she would teacher first, okay? But yeah, I'm glad she went this way, you know, and she didn't need to skip steps, but absolutely, she was on her journey where God is anointed.
All right. Daughter, you don't have to, but if you wanted to say anything to your mom, you can say it in private. I ain't gonna put you on blast. I know. All right. Yeah, I'm a crybaby, so just don't know that. All right. I did see one, I let one person from the gallery because I am in the midst of my morning docket, but if one representative from the family online wants to say something, they can. Anybody?
Well, I'll take this opportunity. I am Dolores's uncle. I think he referred to me as her brother, but I am her uncle, 62. That's fine. But she is just fantastic, and her life story speaks for itself. Her determination and to pursue her law degree after teaching, being a single parent, raising her daughter by herself. Her daughter is accomplished. She's at Michigan State. And just to say she has persevered over her life to accomplish this esteemed milestone. We are so proud of her accomplishment. Words cannot express. And then on behalf of my dad, Ernest Lee Redland Sr., he has, he passed about 4 years ago, but I'm gonna tell you, Judge, if he was here, he would be the #1 cheerleader. He would have been there at 7 a.m., kind of opening up your courtroom for you for this occasion. So to Dee Dee, Dolores, we are so proud of you, and you just keep up the good work, and we know the best is yet to come. God bless you.
Thank you so much, family. I appreciate it. Now it's my time.
Do you mind if I address the court?
I was gonna let you address it at the end. but
Okay,
you
go
want
ahead,
to
I'm
address
sorry.
right now?
I'm sorry, go ahead, I'm sorry.
I got an order to this, okay?
Right, I'm sorry.
All right, all right. It has been my absolute pleasure watching you grow. I was assigned or asked if I would be a mentor her first year as a law student. And that's when I met Dolores, and I had the opportunity to have conversations, to see her grow as a person, to see her struggle, to see her overcome those struggles, to sit in restaurants and get put out of restaurants because we were talking too much and too long. What a dynamic individual you are, what an accomplishment this is in your life. To see all the people on the screen, you downplay stuff, and it's because you don't want all the attention, I already know. But also understand that I want everybody to be able to witness your name being etched into the state of Michigan as an attorney forever. This is your accomplishment, it's your time to shine. I expect amazing things out of you. You're already doing fantastic things, but even more to come. And same to you, Attorney Johnson. We had this conversation already, but I expect such great things from you. I am honored to know you. I'm honored to have our conversations and to bounce my ideas and thoughts off of you, and for you to offer me such wisdom as well. And I appreciate our friendship. And I appreciate the fact that I today am going to be able to swear you in as an attorney. So with that being said, I'm going to have you, and I hope everybody can see, let me zoom in on you a little bit. That way they can really see this accomplishment. Don't get mad at me. Okay. All right. If you would please raise your right hand, I should have a copy for you. I do solemnly swear or affirm.
I do solemnly swear or affirm.
I will support the Constitution
I will support the Constitution
of the United States
of the United States
and the Constitution
and the Constitution
of the State of Michigan.
of the State of Michigan.
I will maintain the respect
I will maintain the respect
due to courts of justice
due to courts of justice
and judicial officers.
and judicial officers.
I will not counsel
I will not counsel
or maintain any suit
or maintain any suit
or proceeding
or proceeding
which shall appear to me
which shall appear to me
to be unjust
to be unjust
nor any defense
nor any defense
except such as
I believe to honestly,
debatable
debatable,
under the law of the land.
under the law of the land.
I will employ for the purpose
I would employ for the purpose
of maintaining the causes confided
of maintaining the causes confided
to me such means as
to meet such means as
are constant
are constant
with truth and honor,
with truth and honor,
and will never seek to mislead
and will never seek to mislead
the judge or jury
the judge or jury
by any artifice
by any artifice
or false statement
or false statement
of fact or law.
of fact or law.
I will maintain the confidence
I will maintain the confidence
and preserve the inviolate,
and preserve the inviolate,
the secret of my client,
the secret of my client,
and will accept no compensation
and will accept no compensation
in connection with my client's
in connection with my client's
business,
business,
except with my client's knowledge and approval.
except with my client's knowledge and approval.
I will abstain from all offensive
I will abstain from all offensive
personality
personality
and advance no fact
and advance no fact
prejudicial to the honor or reputation
prejudicial to the honor or reputation
of a party
of a party
or witness
or witness
unless required by the justice
unless required by the justice
of the cause
of the cause
which I am charged.
which I am charged.
I will never reject
I will never reject
from any consideration
from any consideration
personal to myself
personal to myself
the cause of the defenseless
the cause of the defenseless
or oppressed
or oppressed
or delay any cause
or delay any cause
for lucre or malice.
for lucre or malice.
I will in all other respects
I will in all other respects
conduct myself
conduct myself
personally
personally
and professionally
and professionally
in conformity
in conformity
with the high standards of conduct
with the high standards of conduct
imposed on members of the bar
imposed on members of the bar
as conditions for the privilege
as conditions for the privilege
to practice law
to practice law
in this state.
in this state.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And I'll turn it over to you for a moment. But now, upon presentation of a certificate of the State Bar Law Examinations recommendation, the admission of Dolores Lauren Retland as an attorney in the state of Michigan on the motion by Larry Johnson II, attorney in good standing in the state. It is hereby ordered that Dolores Lauren Retland be and is hereby admitted to practice as an attorney and counselor at law and solicitor and counselor in chancery in the courts of this state of Michigan. Thank you.
Big D, yay! Big Count Jenna, or no?
While I'm signing this order, you can go ahead and make a statement that you wanted to.
Okay, so first I'd like to extend my heartfelt thank you to you, Judge. I'm truly honored that you took time out of your demanding schedule to administer my oath into the Michigan Bar Association. Throughout my law school journey, you've been a constant source of guidance and support. From our very first phone call, you generously offered your insight, time, and encouragement. For that, I'm profoundly thankful. Your belief in me has left a lasting impact. Next, the Larry Dukes, attorney Larry Johnson II, my big sid mentor and one of my most genuine individuals I've had the privilege of knowing. Thank you for embracing my vision and standing with me through every twist and turn of law school. I often describe this path as more bitter than sweet, but your mentorship lightened the way. From textbooks and outlines to invaluable professor tips and even nudging me beyond my comfort zone into networking events, you played a critical role in my experience with law school. It's only right that I get to share this moment with you as my sponsor attorney. To my mom, thank you for being here. Your presence means the world to me. To my daughter, Deanna, this wasn't just my journey, but it was ours. I'm beyond proud to have walked it with you, from strolling through the aisles of my undergrad classroom at age 3 to sitting beside me during late night classes. You've probably been to more classroom hours at this point than most college students your age. Whether or not you remember it all, know that you've been a part of every step. My greatest hope is that this moment reminds you that you can achieve absolutely anything you put your mind to. To my oldest brother, Trey, or Ernest, Dr. Ernest Rutland III, you were right. The path to success is not linear. You really should trademark that line. I'm also incredibly grateful to you that you've helped me profoundly complete this journey. Because of you, I didn't have to face many of the hurdles that might have delayed this journey. Your support made it all possible. And beyond that, I'm just glad that you're my brother. This sentiment extends to all my brothers. I hear you, Evan. And thank you, each of you, for your love and encouragement. And to my extended family and friends, thank you for joining in different time zones. I respect the 7:30 a.m. wake up, the 6:30 a.m. wake up in Colorado and California respectfully, as well as right here in Michigan. Your encouragement has carried me through more than you know. Thank you for joining us today. And finally, for my granddad, I carry his pride with me, and I hope this moment reflects the tenacity, dedication, and love he always showed me. One of our last conversations was granddad telling me to finish the law degree, and today I kept that promise. Thank you all from the depth of my heart. Thank you.
Congrats.
Can we say?
Have to say our shout outs.
Yeah.
Court,